How to change LinkedIn email address. To change your LinkedIn email address, first things first, launch the LinkedIn application onto your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and then tap on your profile icon on the top left corner, then tap on the setting icon or option from the bottom. Now you simply have to go to the sign in and security option. Once you're here, you will find email addresses option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, you can also proceed to add new email address, or if you want to change it, you simply have to now go ahead and tap on your email address at the top, or simply tap on this email address option if you don't find it. From here, you can proceed to verify your email first of all. Once you verify it, all you have to do is type in your new email, and once you verify your new email address as well, you simply have to now set it as primary by tapping on it and clicking the Make Primary next to it option. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.